Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
Hey, we've got an exciting car for you right now, a 69 Camaro RSSS Pro Touring Big Block 4-Speed Air loaded up with goodies. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find the whole list of specs and options. You'll find the price, photos top to bottom of this car, and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. That's volocars.com. But first, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin in a 69 Camaro Pro Touring. Let me get out of the way so you can see this beautiful car. 69 Camaro is one of my all-time favorites. The lines are just incredible. And then you throw Hugger orange paint, white stripes, cowl hoods, spoilers, and a big set of chrome boss wheels. You got a hot-looking car. This is right out of North Carolina. It's got 995 miles on the restoration. Everything is still fresh. The body is clean, it's straight, lines up nice, and has a very glossy, smooth, shiny paint job. Stripes are painted on, and almost all of the trim is new. The tail lights, the bumpers, the reverse lights. Part of the Rally Sport, the reverse lights are down below the bumper. Non-Rally Sport, they're built into the tail light. This molding is new. The louvers are new. The handles, the mirrors, the windshield, all this trim, the wiper arms, it's all been replaced. Got some big Boss chrome wheels, obviously wider, bigger in back, with some new performance tires. The stance is just right. It's a hot looking car. You can see the Willwood brakes with red calipers poking out through the wheels there. It's got drilled and slotted discs at all four corners. It is the Rally Sport. It's an upgraded to the electric motors. They zip right open, they slam shut. The interior is real nice. Completely restored and has a few upgrades. It's got the houndstooth upholstery. These front seats are some custom like sport seats with the bolsters on the sides. It's got the cushioned armrest in the middle with cup holders. It's got some new white face round gauges in the console, one of them being a clock. It's got a custom stereo system with the built-in kick panel speakers and custom 6x9 speakers back here and a third brake light. And in the trunk, the stereo system continues. Got a big subwoofer box with two subs, and behind there I see there's an amplifier. Got a carpeted liner in here. Got a carpeted panel on the side. Behind it's a gel cell battery. It has a battery disconnect. Trunk is solid. This is all painted nice. New weather strip. All new from carpet to headliner. The visors, sill plates, door panels, all been replaced. The dash pad has new gauges. Has the 140 mile an hour speedometer, gas gauge in the middle, and a new 8 grand tachometer. That's a tilt wheel. It's got orange SS427 embroidered floor mats. It's a crate 427 with 501 horsepower. Even looking at it from underneath, it's new. The freeze plugs, the hardware on the motor, it's still spotless. It's got aluminum GM intake, aluminum GM heads. It's all dressed up with matching aluminum valve covers, air cleaner, breathers, plug wire holders. It's a nice match set. The whole front of the motor is billet aluminum brackets, nice looking pulleys, serpentine belt. It's got a mini polished AC compressor, polished alternator, polished B-Cool radiator with 2 electric fans, polished overflow bottle. It's got a chrome fuel pump. Big Holley dual feed carburetor, looks new. New HEI ignition. It's got coated headers. Also has the seat belts, the stock 69 Camaro seat belts. New weather strips, new window fuzzies. Underneath the car is real solid. Suspension, the front end's been rebuilt. It has a correct 1969 Muncie 4-speed. It has a correct 1969 12-bolt posi rear. Nice dual exhaust system. I think it was Flowmaster mufflers. You'll hear how it sounds in a second. First, I'll tease you a little more before we start it. It is a Wilwood billet master cylinder with a chrome brake booster. I love these billet hood hinges they've been putting on some cars. And it's got these really nice billet support bars. New power steering system with braided stainless hoses. So got a lot of good upgrades under the hood here. Now we'll start it up. I love that idle, but who doesn't? This does have the electric doors on the wipers with some bright HID headlights. There's something touchy in the switch though, because I jiggled it a couple times and they would work and they wouldn't work. So we'll fix that. So we just got this car in. Tail lights weren't on. I just jiggled it, the ground wire, and they came on. Now they're not on. Headlights, I had them working 3-4 times. Now it didn't, so I think there's just something that needs to be tweaked. The headlights work, but the doors aren't working right now. So we will fix that. This car still needs to roll through our shop. We just got it right out of North Carolina. That will be taken care of. Visit volocars.com. They have a whole staff of people, plenty of ways to contact us on there. They can answer your questions about the car, about the process, shipping, financing, whatever it may be. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's the best way to see these cars as we put them out. I've got 4 cars lined up that we're doing this morning, so subscribe to the YouTube channel. Appreciate everyone who's been watching, and hope you enjoy it and come back for more.